Alright, welcome back everyone. So it seems like you guys like those unboxing videos, and I just picked up 2 orders here. Number 1, I just ordered from Sky's the Limit, which is CarPro US, and I'm going to open up this one. I'm going to be doing some orange peel removal, and I'll show you what's in here. Just pop this down. When I mean orange peel removals, I noticed some issues on the roof of the Grand Prix, and I don't know if, well, for sure it's got like I said, that car was repainted, so they didn't do the best job sanding some of the areas, so it looks a little bit splotchy, like put that up there, like there's oxidation on there. So again, when you get your orders from CarPro, these actually you can dissolve them in water. They're recyclable. So let's see, it's a sample of Hydro 2. Never used it, so I have like two other sample bottles in there. I'll just pour these out for now, so I can get to these pads. Okay, so I ordered the denim pads from CarPro. These are the 3-inch pads. I ordered 6 of each pad because I heard that they do get clogged up pretty easily. So again, these are the denim 3-inch pads. And we pop one open. And so this has the denim material on here. It's got the foam interface here. So again, they call it the orange peeling pad. 2000 grit. So just kind of keep that in mind, that this is equivalent to 2000 grit, so you're going to need a compound to get 2000 grit out of there. Most of them can get them out. The benefit to this is you get no sanding marks and none of that sanding haze. So we'll try these out. So I ordered 6 of these. I ordered the bigger ones too, so I needed one more CarPro gloss pad, so I ordered one more. And looks like they changed the back plate to black versus blue. Those are cool. Those are real nice when you're using Essence or Essence Plus. And I think these are the velvet pad, so these are a little different. I'll bring the other ones too. These are actually 3000 grit, so you can see that the material's different here. It's got the velvet, they call it velvet on here. And so these last ones in here are the 5-inch or 5.5-inch denim pads. So I'm going to be trying these out because I needed to get, like I said, I'm trying to get some orange peel on the roof, on the hood, and also on the trunk. So you can see the different material in these. Again, these are 3000 grit, these are 2000 grit. This is mild cut, so I'll probably start with these and see how that results they give me, and then I can test these out on a different spot. So again, it's not an easy removal process for if you're going to be using a dual action polisher, but it can be done. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. Since I'm really not that good at wet sanding, I was like, okay, let's try these first. I know I have plenty of paint on the car. It's got an excessive amount of mills on the surface, so there's plenty of paint on there. So I'd have to go many passes before I burn through the clear coat on there. There's a lot of paint on there. And the reason I painted that car is because I was starting to get clear coat failure on the bumpers, which is common, the fenders, which were, believe it or not, the paint was fading underneath. not so much the clear coat, and it was starting to spread to the doors. So we're starting to have this splotchy appearance on the Grand Prix from the front fenders onto the driver's side doors, and then also the lower rocker panels were starting to do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to toss that one out. And this one, I think you guys are going to be pleasantly surprised. I got to thank my buddy for hooking me up with these. I did pay for those. Let me just open this Hydro 2 bottle. I can throw the rest away. So yeah, I got to thank my buddy for these. I think you guys are going to be pleasantly surprised as to what they are. Like I said, I paid for them out of my own pocket. He just decided to hook me up because I asked him. I'm not going to tell you who it is because I don't want to get him in trouble. Okay, so again, these are more packing peanuts here. Just get some of these out of the way. I'm not a big fan of packing peanuts, man. Just use paper. At least I can recycle those. You guys can already tell what these are if you guys are follow the coating manufacturers. So again, these are IGL coatings. I think that's all I ordered. Yeah, that's all I ordered. It's back in there. Okay. So we have the new Quartz Plus. This is graphene infused. The original Quartz Plus, which are these guys. Where are they at? This guy here, he sent me a sample of these two. So you got the Quartz Plus base and the Quartz Plus top. So you apply this one first, wait an hour, and you put the top layer on there. So that was the original one. I'll go ahead and pop these open, just so you guys can see what's included in the kit. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for these. Let's just say I paid a good amount of money for these, because I don't think they want you to divulge the cost. So again, one thing about IGL coatings is that they package their products really nice. Because I have Eco Coat, and again, this is new right here, graphene reinforced. So that's their thing. They're saying graphene reinforced, which is basically graphene infused coatings, and IGL has gone the route of graphene. So again, you get the suede applicators, stickers, your little install cards. That's what you get in there. Okay, in the kit, they give you the pre-coat, which is their surface cleaner. You got this typical suede block. Their suede block's okay, it's thin. That's why I don't like it. Let's see what else we have in here. We got a bottle of Premier water-based polysiloxane sealant. So again, this is your maintenance product. You got the gloves in there, and then you have the new frosted bottles. So if we're looking at the original ones, these were clear, and then the new ones are frosted with the new label. 2-component graphene infused coating. So again, you would do the same thing. You put your base coat here, and then your top coat here. So again, we got these. So that's going to be a part of the next test. And then we got the big boy, Kenzo IGL coatings, graphene reinforced. This one's cost a pretty penny here. So again, it's got the Nanotech graphene reinforced. This one's packaged a little different. If I can get this top off. Okay, so this one's got the little paper thing on here. Okay, and here you get the, you got the block in here. You got your pre-coat cleanser here. So again, if this is your panel prep after you finish polishing, that's what this is. I'm not going to take it out. And then you get your base and your top. So again, you can tell the colors are a little dark here. So this one's got the you can tell it's a little bit darker color in gray. Again, frosted bottles. These are only 20 ml bottles, so I imagine it's just enough for one layer each. So that's what these are for. So we'll try this. I really want to coat my entire Camaro over again and put that on there, which I may do that. I don't know. And of course they have the towels. The towels are okay. So they give you one towel in there. You got the gloves. You got this keychain thing here. It's got the IGL coatings on one side, and the other side's got Kenzo. Okay, you got the this little crystal here. It looked probably what their coatings do. You get that in there. Let me pop one of these open. These are probably the installer stuff. Like I said, I've never really bought this coating. So we'll see what else we got. Get the Kenzo. It's basically a wallet here. Certificate of authenticity. That's what this is. I'll put that back in a little bit. And this is probably the same thing here. And then you also get in here a little thank you thing. Okay, and this is where all your suedes and stickers and all the stuff's in here for the coating on here. So a little brochure talking about all their coatings here. So I will be using these. We put these on as part of the coating test, and I'm really debating on whether or not to just recoat my Camaro and put the Kenzo base and top on there. It's small enough where I can do 20 mils. Right now it's coated with C-quartz, but I'm thinking about just putting this on there and kind of just going the graphene route, putting that on there. So again, that's the products going forward. In terms of the unboxing here, that's what I got going on. We've got the IGL stuff here, and then we've got all the CarPro Denim Pads here for when I do my wet sanding thing here. So again, just want to show a quick little update to what I got planned going on with testing some of these newer coatings. I want to thank my buddy for letting me order these, and that way I can kind of test them out. I did like Quartz Plus, and I thought that was a pretty nice application experience. And so I imagine this will be the same thing. This is actually 30 mils a piece, so they call it a 60 mil kit. So each one's got 30 mils, and really the difference is going to be your durability and the hardness of these. I wrote down somewhere. I was making a list of stuff here. I'll get to this in a little bit. But Kenzo is a 5-year coating. It's rated 10H, and it's 100% active material, 120 degree contact angles. That's what Kenzo is. EcoCoat Plus is a 4-year coating. It's rated at 9H, 90% active material, and the contact angle is 110 degrees. So it's got a little less contact angle, a little less durability and hardness compared to Kenzo. So we're going to go ahead and test these out, see how it goes. I'm going to go ahead and do my wet sanding stuff here with the denim pads to remove some orange peel and go from there. But I just want to give you guys an idea of what's coming up on as part of the testing. I got pretty much all the coatings I need for the test. I'm going to do one last video update for the roof, for the coating stuff. Then I'm going to do this here, and then I'm going to move on to the coatings. So I got some stuff planned coming up. So again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.